Odenk, Odenk. Odenk.
John Bosco, my best friend.
Yes.
John Bosco, John Bosco.
Do you want to cut it so that we'll start eating it?
I want to cut it. Even if I've been trying to come your place, but I say let me cut this in and hold so that you know you are my good friend.
Yes. Oh yes, as if you went to my place, you wouldn't have seen me. Odenk, you know, when God wants to bless a man, he doesn't seek for permission from anyone.
Sure.
God has remembered me.
Thank you, Papa God.
And he has remembered you also.
Oh, glory be to God.
Lizzie Dunn.
Lizzie Dunn?
From United States of America.
That young guy that came yesterday?
Exactly. Do you know what he said to me?
No.
He wants to take me to abroad. There my life will be good. God has remembered me through Lizzie Dunn.
You know, I've been giving you advice. You are my good friend.
Exactly.
We have been a friend so long.
Exactly.
And no advice that I have been giving you that you will not make use of it.
Exactly.
I know you will make use of this.
Yes.
Do you know why this Lizzie Dunn is making money? He's using people's destiny.
Lizzie Dunn uses people's destiny. That's all. Oh, let me be included. You see, Odenk, for past 28 years till now, I have been making use of that my so-called destiny. But it has never profited me anything good in my life. Look at the way I am. Do you like the way I am?
No.
Look, that's my so-called destiny. This is the condition it has kept me. It has never given me any connection. If Lizzie Dunn use people's destiny and they become important in life, let him use my own. I am tired of using my own. Let him, if he couldn't work for me, and God wanted to work for Lizzie Dunn, and I will build a house, buy cars, and be important in life. Let Lizzie Dunn use my destiny so that I will make it. Or do you like the way I am?
No.
Look at the way I am. My so-called destiny is with me, but look at the condition it has kept me.
Will I bring my own too?
No, Lizzie Dunn did not tell me that he needs extra destiny. You will go and look for someone who will use your own. Well, why I'm here is to tell you the good news so that you will go and celebrate it.